How to blur complex background using hidden selection feature in Photoshop. Let's go. Okay guys, guess which one of these tools should I use to select the subject? Sorry, none of these. I'll show you another one which is good to select subject in complex background. Go to select and click on focus area. Now reduce the in focus range to select this subject only. Then take subtract tool brush and just paint to remove the extra and unwanted part. Zoom out a little bit and take again subtract tool brush. Reduce the size of brush by pressing left bracket key. Just paint on extra part. Then select output to new layer with layer mask and click OK. Now hold Ctrl and click on layer mask for select pixels, visible background layer. Then go to select, modify, click on expand, enter value 25 and click OK. Take quick selection tool, right click and choose fill. In content, select content aware, then click OK. Hide the subject layer, press Ctrl plus D to deselect selection. Here you can see the subject is completely removed from the image. Now right click on background layer and make it convert to smart object. Then go to filter, blur gallery, click on tilt shift. Set the blur point position to the downside and increase the blur value as much you want and adjust the feather line. Now it looks fine. Just click OK. Here is the before and after. That's all guys. Now tell me in the comments, did you already know about this feature and how much did you like it? Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.